We don't get to snowmobile anymore, but we do get to garden, so let's get to work. Got my dirt in here, spread out. I planted my seedlings a few weeks ago. The only thing that's really taken off is the radishes, so I planted those. I don't know if they'll grow or not. I haven't done radishes before, so we'll see how that goes. But we got the strawberries come back every year, and our assortment of everything we got over here. We'll see how it goes.